a student from SINGAMANDAWA Vocational High School. Today, I am going to take you to a truly special place in Bali. Bali is famous for its beach, temple, and rice terrace. But did you know that some of its most beautiful treasures are hidden far from the crowd? One of those just behind me, Anyar Waterfall, hidden gem in the heart of Anyar Regency. Here, you can enjoy the nature in the pure from no noise, no rush, just the sound of flowing water and fresh tropical air. Come on, let's explore together. The Anyar Waterfall is located in Kamano Village, Sukawati District, Anyar Regency, about 30 minutes from Ubud. From Denpasar city center, about 21 kilometers, roughly a 15-minute drive with paved roads all the way. The entrance fee is 20,000 rupiahs for local and 25,000 rupiahs for visitor, including parking, very budget friendly. The waterfall is open to the public in 2020, yet it has already become one of Anyar's natural attractions. The waterfall is open daily from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You won't find a rows of a safari store or push vendors here, just warm local hospitality. From the parking area, there's a 100 to 200 meter walk down two-step surrounded by tropical palms. Some sections are little steps, so take your time. As you visit, you start near of the sun waterfall, a natural meeting, so keep going. What makes Anyar Waterfall special is unknown beauty. Unlike some waterfalls that are cold and commercial, this one feels almost private. The water is crystal clear, cascading over a rock into a natural pool where you can dip your feet or even swim. All around a tall trees, a provinces, will birds and insects create a natural soundtrack. It's not just place to take your photo. It's place to connect with nature, pause and breathe. The waterfall stands about 10 meters tall and split into two level heights. It's about 5-meter high. The water flows from the Patanu River, which originates of Kintamani Mountain. The another unique feature is the holy spring nearby. The Omanya waterfalls remind us that beauty doesn't always shine. Sometimes it waits for us to listen. Thank you for joining me today at Anyar's Waterfalls. I hope one day you can visit here at Paradise Hidden Gem in the Bali. See you on another video. Om Santi 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 Om. Bye.